Hello! I'm Architect Kiko of Arcadius Construction Corporation, and we're going to give you a condo tour of our recently turnover project. So it's a 3-bedroom, 80 square meters. Tara! Simulan natin dito sa kitchen. So yung kitchen natin napaka-modern, no? So we used gray high-pressure laminates on marine plywood. So meron tayong pull-out pantry. Di pala pull-out pantry to. Ano tawag dito? Pull-out. Condiments rack. So yan, meron tayong condiments rack. Tapos meron tayong kulay black na. Yep, meron yung pang linis ng gulay. So what do you call this? Anong tawag sa gray na to?
Gunmetal gray.
Gunmetal gray. Alright, coated sink. And then we have here a power track para yung mga appliance. Kahit anong appliance dito, pwede mo ilagay rice cooker, you have your blender, you have your air fryer, easily na makakabit. Okay? And my favorite, dito muna tayo. Ayan. So ito yung dish rack natin. Ayan, bababa. Dish dito, tapos yung mga baso. Okay? Para madali. Then, itong ano na to, itong range hood. So typically yung design ng range hood na to is yung standalone or yung wala yung cabinet, pero sayang yung storage space eh. So mayroon tayong konting storage space. So very storage oriented ang ating kitchen. So we have here the pull-out pantry. Ito pala yung pull-out pantry para sa mga delata, right? So meron tayong smart ref. Katabi niya yung watching machine. Okay, nakatago si watching machine. Dito naman, pagpasok mo, we have the shoe rack. I love this shoe rack, okay? Itong shoe rack na to. Ilan ang kasya dito? 30 pieces. 30 pairs. 30 pairs. So yan, naiikot. So, maraming shoes si owner. Kaya ito ay special request. Tricolor si dining light. No, para pwede siya mag-mood pag kumakain, white. So, dito yung dining area natin. Right? Now, dito, our entertainment center, our TV console. Meron tayong pabango. Hindi na siya umuusok. Kanina umuusok yan. Edit. Okay? So, we also used the marine plywood, laminated. Yung ating grab handle para clean and sleek. Hindi tayo nag-handle. So, para siyang may 45-degree na ukit dito. Okay? So, drawers yan. Again, meron tayong power track kasi pwede kang magtanggal yan. At merong USB para flexible. Okay? So, ito, laminate yan and wood panel composite. WPC. Wood plastic composite pala yung P doon, hindi panel. Pero pwede. Panel board. So you have to press. Okay? Tapos makikita mo na yung panel board doon. Ngayon, pagka ibabalik, push mo lang yun. Tapos, magnetic. Okay. Pasok tayo dito. Ay, ito muna. Our first room, yung maid's room, okay? So yung maid's room natin, meron siyang Murphy bed. So naibababa to, okay? And then, we have the closet, tsaka yung iba pang storage. Simple lang naman. Dito si maid. Then, our second room is an office space and a guest bedroom. So, doble yung function niya. Dito nakalagay yung switch natin kasi wala tayong wall space. Bakit? Murphy bed ulit. So, owner's directive na Murphy bed para flexible. So, kung merong bisita, pwede siyang matulog dito. Okay? Tapos, sabi kanina, office, di ba? So, pwede ka mag-laptop dito. Lock mo lang. Lock yan. Right. And then, ito. So, this is also closet space. Pero ito yung, para kanina yan. Pusa! Alright. So, you have baby cats, pang litter box. Alright, so yung unit na to very custom made for the owner's specific needs. At si owner dito, siya master bedroom. Itong door, no? Sabi kanina, 'di ba? Merong cats. Para freely silang pwedeng pumasok at labas. Meron tayong magnetic door holder. Alright? Tapos, pag sasara, halimbawa may hangin, 'di ba? If ever na isasara yan, mabagal para hindi mag-bang dun sa mga cats. So, kung makikita niyo yung color motif natin, merong so gray, yung wood element, tapos black. And we also have yung mga golden browns. So, ito yung what you call this play area. Dito play area, merong PSC owner. So, meron siya ulit power track dito. Tatlo yung power track ng unit. And of course, pangatlong Murphy bed. Okay? So, hila ulit. Kasi, pwede siya dito maglagay ng treadmill at workout. Okay. Sa likod ng Murphy bed, meron kasing space dito eh. We have a push latch para sa luggage. Pang luggage yan. Ito nagagalaw-galaw. Right. So, na-adjust yung shelf niya. Para sa mga bagay. And then we have a sliding wardrobe na nakatrim ng gold ulit. So, yun yung motif natin. Tapos, master bathroom. Pagod ako mag-tour. If you have any renovation needs, you have condo, you have your residential renovation, or if you want to construct your new house, if you have a shop or a business, commercial space, office, don't hesitate to contact us, Arcadis Construction Corporation. Check out our website, nasa description, tsaka yung mga contact number namin, our Facebook, our Instagram. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye-bye!